Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. Hi, my name is Kiara and this is my channel, Hey Key. So if you clicked on this video, you already know what it's about. I am collaborating with Truly Beauty to review some products that they sent me in exchange for an honest review. So if you're interested in learning more about Truly Beauty and their products, keep on watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, and let's jump into this video. Truly Beauty has sent me 6 products, and they also sent me a razor to use with one of the products. So before we jump into all of that, I do just want to make this disclaimer that the products are classified as clean, vegan, and high performing products. The first product that I did receive was the razor, like I mentioned. So it's like this baby pink color, and it has like the gold finish at the bottom, and this has like Truly right here. It is a 4-blade razor, and it does come with a detachable head, so once this one gets old, I can pop it off and put on the next one, and it's very smooth to the skin. I will say that I am usually intimidated by like 4-blade razors because of my past. I cut myself a lot with razors, so I'm usually intimidated, but this one was so smooth and so soft. Like I honestly did not have any problems with it, so I really enjoyed this razor. I need to check online to see if they sell these razors just independently. I don't know. I did check all of the products, I just didn't look for the razor, but I'll do that shortly. But yeah, so I really did enjoy this razor. So the first product that I do want to discuss is the cheeky butt polish. So when I first read it, I was like, okay, but it says it's a clearing butt polish, and it's for smooth, clear, and even cheeks, so even butt cheeks or whatever. You can see in the jar, like I've been using it, and I was actually shocked because it has like these little balls in here, and I didn't know that it had little exfoliant beads, which it does. So it's very good on your bottom, and it makes it nice and like a smooth finish. I was very impressed with that. So the smell was it's like a berry, like it says berry cheeky, so it's like a berry, like fruity smell. And typically I don't really go for fruity smells, but it smells really good, especially in the shower. Like initially when I just first smelled it, I'm like, oh, it's like a lot of fruits, a lot of berries. I really did enjoy this, and I will say, like initially I did not know that it had the exfoliant beads, so once I realized that it had the exfoliant beads, I really did like this product. And I do like the way it lathers up once you're in the shower and you rub it in with water. Like it lathers up really well, and I really do enjoy this product. All right, so the next product that I have is the Acai Your Boobies, and it's like a boobie polish, and it's to tighten and firm your boob area. So I've tried this quite a few times. I will not be trying this on camera just because of I don't think this video would get approved if I had tried it on camera. But this one, it smells like berries as well, and it does have exfoliant beads in it also. And you basically just take like a little dollop, and then you rub your chest area in circular motion, and it does lather up really nicely. This one does have like a fruity smell as well, but again, once you're in the shower, it's like a mild fruity smell, so it's not like overbearing. It's like very it's like a soft fruity smell, which I like for a person that doesn't really gravitate to fruity smells anymore. I really did appreciate this, and it did make my chest area feel like nice and firm and like really soft. So I really did enjoy this. And I do like the smell actually, and I really do like that it has like these exfoliant beads, because it's gonna make your chest area very soft, very smooth, and then it's gonna be like an even tone. So I really did appreciate this, and I'll definitely continue using this. Like I definitely should have had this for like the summer when I was like traveling and stuff. Like this would have been perfect, like when I put on my swimsuits, have like an even skin tone. So I'll definitely keep using this, and once I run out, I'll probably get some more, because I do plan on traveling more. I do plan on traveling a little bit more in the future. Buddy, gone. You all in the way, you head out, go. You could have been 8. Now, the next product that I have, this is actually like one of my favorite products that I've used thus far from Truly Beauty. And this is the Cocoa Cloud, and this is the whipped shave butter. So if you just look at the bottle, like I'll have it on the screen of course, and it's just like this smooth, looks like just like a cloud. It's like a dream, and I love this product. I love the way it smells. I love the way it feels. Some of the key ingredients, it has like vanilla, coconut milk, argan oil, white tea, and vitamin E. This was perfect with the razor. As you can see in the video, it's just lathered up like really, really nicely. And it's like a soft, I like this, it's really clean. It makes me actually hungry. It's like this vanilla, it reminds me of whipped cream. So the next one I would like to discuss is the Moon Rocks, and this is a body scrub. So it has like eucalyptus. Does it have eucalyptus? It had like some essential oils in here. No, it has lavender in here. Yeah, so it has blue tansy, lavender oil, and jojoba oil. And it smelled like it reminds me of a spa. Honestly, it just reminds me of a spa. Like, that's the best way I can describe it. Like, you get that lavender in there, like a mud wrap or something. That's what this makes me think of. Yeah, 10 out of 10. And this is really, really good on the skin. Like, it's a great scrub to get like all of that, like that first layer of dead skin off. Like, I truly do enjoy this product. I would highly, highly recommend this. Like, this was definitely one of my faves out of everything. The next product that I would like to discuss is the unicorn fruit. It's the whipped body butter, and it has like this beautiful colorful swirl. I really do like that color. This one was quite fruity as well, but I actually enjoyed this. Like, it wasn't bad, and I really enjoyed it because it was so hydrating on the skin. It reminds me of Lucky Charms, and as a kid I love Lucky Charms cereal, so I can definitely appreciate this. It's like very nostalgic for me, and I love the colors. Like, this is so cute. Like, look at that. I'm actually gonna just try some of this on camera because I did not put on any body butter or any lotion when I get out of the shower, because I knew that I was filming this video. So I'm like, let me just put some stuff on my arms like once I'm filming. So you really just need a little bit, because if you do too much, it'll like come off really greasy. Look at that. And I only used like literally like a pea size, and look at my arm. Like, look at that. Look at this, nothing's on my arm, and look at that. Like, you can see the comparison. Nothing's on this arm whatsoever, and then look at this. I like this. Like, I really, really do like this. And it really reminds me of Lucky Charms. This is like top three out of all the products, top 3, hands down. And last but not least, we have the Hotter in Person Bronze and Blur Cream. So this product was like my least favorite out of them all, honestly. And honestly, it was really due to the scent. Like I've mentioned previously, like I'm not really like a big fan of like fruity scents, and it's like strawberry is like the #1 ingredient. So it's like, it doesn't smell bad at all. It smells good. It's just me personally, I'm not a fan of fruity scents anymore. That's all. But yeah, so it has strawberry, jojoba oil, some pomegranate oil, and it has like an antioxidant boost in it as well. So when you rub it in, it's like a shimmer, like a golden shimmer as well. So I'm gonna try this out on this arm so you guys can just see what it looks like on my skin. So it has like a golden, like a bronze finish on your skin. So I just got like a little bit, you know, actually this might be too much, so that's what I got, just that right there. And I'm just going to rub it into my arm. Yeah, and that's what it looks like. It's literally like a filter on your skin, and that's why it's like, it's really, for me, it's just the scent that I really don't care about, but I love like the finish overall look. Like, it's literally like a blurring product. Like, look at this arm, And then look at this one. It looks like a filter is on my arm, and I can truly appreciate that. This will be perfect for when you're going on vacations and you're wearing swimsuits and you want to take pictures, even if you're not even wearing swimsuits. If you just want to take pictures and you want your skin to look flawless, like this would be perfect to the skin. Like, look at that. Look at that. Right, so those are all of the products that Truly Beauty has sent me to review. Out of all of the products, I will say that, ooh, this is a tough one. My absolute favorite product out of everything is the Cocoa Cloud Whipped Shave Butter. But honestly, all of these products are good in their own ways, and I can definitely see myself using these products in the future. Thank you so much for collaborating with me on this video. I really enjoyed the products, and thank you guys for watching.